is May 2nd, Tuesday. I'm outside. It's freezing out here. The wind is cold. Look at show my shorts. I'm wearing shorts. I should have worn my pants. What a retard. It's gonna be the short walk. I don't know if you can hear me. Maybe I gotta speak up. Alan is gonna go show you what boats are here.
Okay.
Since I have shorts on, I wanted you to see how bad my legs are still. Show my legs. My right leg is still really swollen and it has scratches and it bleeds. My left leg, show them down here, looking down here, that's still swollen right there. My legs look so bad. I really didn't want to wear shorts, but I should have worn pants because it is cold out here, freezing to death. And they said the wind was at 24 miles per hour and it feels harder than that. The sun is out, as you can see, but that wind is cold. And I'm miserable. My hands are freezing to death. My hands are cold. Anyway. But at least I got out here. And so far I'm not coughing. My leg has been killing me a lot lately. My left leg. This one. So I was contemplating whether I would go. Oh my God! Big gust of wind just came up. Good thing we didn't go that far.
True.
So the wind was hard. My hands were freezing and my legs are freezing. Show the purple flowers. Good. Get in the middle, Alan.
I am right there. That's fine.
Right there.
Nice purple flowers.
I found this white tree.
Okay, we got the white tree. Now I'm back on you.
Look at my hood, it's all messed up. Now it feels warm. Here's my cute little Bubba cup. It's pink. And I didn't want to get the size that at least she got, so this is a 20 ounce. And it's holding my wild strawberry drink in there. Oh, here's my coffee. Anyway, just got back in. I did a 7-minute walk. Usually when I go around the building, it's a 9-minute walk. And I didn't go all the way to the pier. That wind was cold. My hands were cold. My legs were cold. I should have worn pants. But anyway, I need to rest now because that was hard on me. And Alan showed you the boats to see how many boats there were. I don't even know how many are there. So I just wanted to take you on another walk because Alan went with me this time. And believe me, if I knew the wind was that strong, I would have said, I'm not going. But I didn't. I checked the weather. It said it was 27 miles per hour instead of 24. And that being by the ocean, going towards the ocean, was cold. So anyway, Al's gonna get ready to do the thing he has to do to my video, and then we'll get it up and going, and we'll see y'all later. And hopefully on my next walk it won't be so bad. So talk to y'all later. Bye.